Hey guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your IONOS email account to Gmail so you can access and manage all your emails from one place. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Settings gear icon located in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings menu. Next, go to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where we'll link your IONOS email account to Gmail. Under the section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts, click on Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up asking for your IONOS email address. Carefully type in your full IONOS email address, double-check for any typos, and then click Next. Gmail will now guide you through the verification process to confirm your email account. This step ensures that your connection is secure and that you're authorized to access the IONOS inbox. You may receive a verification email. Simply follow the instructions inside to complete the setup. Once everything is verified, your IONOS email will be successfully added to Gmail. From now on, you can send, receive, and manage your IONOS messages directly from Gmail's familiar and convenient interface. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up and access your IONOS email through Gmail in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.